Hello wonderful people, I'm Vishwa and today in this Leonardo AI tutorial, I will show you how to effortlessly create stunning images using text-to-image AI tool with various prompts, just like these beautiful images. Can you see? So without further ado, let's dive in. So this is the part 2 of the Leonardo AI series. So if you haven't watched the part 1, which is the overview of whole Leonardo AI tool, so you can find the link of that video in the I button or in the description of this video. So do watch that to understand this fully. I will provide all the links and all the prompts, negative prompts which I'm going to use in this video. So don't worry about that. So this is the Leonardo AI tool, and here I have already explained the overview. You are pretty aware about all these things now. So now today, as I said, that we are going to start the text to image AI generation. So here you can see at the left hand side the option AI image generation. So this is nothing but text to image AI generation tool. So can you see this is the AI image generation. If you want to know more about this particular, if you want to read, so you can just click on this question mark, and here you can see welcome overview, AI image generation, canvas editor, AI texture generation. So if you want to read about this, so you can do that. You can just click over here and it will take you to the document. But if you watch this video completely, then I don't think so you will need to read the document. So here you can see at the left hand side, we can see all the settings related to our image generations. So first of all, what I will do, I'll just put the prompt here. So here at the right hand side, you can see type a prompt. So like what kind of image you want to create, okay, that you can write down here. If you want to create a dog image, or if you want to create a image, okay, like let's say a painting or a nature scenery, and you have the description of that particular image in your mind, you can just type in here and you will get that kind of image. I have a playlist on other text-to-image AI tools as well. One of the playground AI tool. So you can watch that playlist as well. Link in the description. So the prompt is very simple. I'll just write down a dog. This is our very basic prompt. You can see I'm just writing just a dog. Here at the left hand side, you can see a number of images. So how many images you want to generate? 1 image, 2 image, 3 image, 4, 8. So according to your need, you can choose. I'll just select 2 images. I want to generate 2 images. And here below, this is the photoReal model, which I already explained you in the overview video, that this is the latest model which creates the realistic photos. And this is a disable. So I'll keep it disable only. So we will create the images using photoReal as well in some time. And here I'll just disable this alchemy as well. So alchemy also help us to get the good image. So if you want to read more about that, you already know about the photoReal. But if you do not about alchemy, so you can just click on this question mark. You can take your mouse to the question mark, and here you can see the description is there. Leonardo Alchemy is our powerful new image generation pipeline. Click the question mark for more info. So here you can see the more information about the alchemy. So you can read more if you want. Keynotes, you can see this feature is in beta for paid users. Use at your own risk and unblock the secret within. High resolution toggles between 1.5x and 2.x resolution increase. If you want to generate the high resolution image, so this pipeline help us, alchemy pipeline. Contrast boost improves contrast, reduce if the output is too dark, resonance adds more detail, and alchemy is compatible with all the platforms. So you can read this properly if you want to. So in short, it just make our image better. So we will understand that difference when we will use that. And below you can see prompt magic. So here as well you can see the question mark, our custom render pipeline that has a far greater prompt adherence, higher image fidelity, and you can improve the output with the chosen model. It increases the token cost due to the higher CPU overheads. So prompt magic has also the same purpose to generate the best image. And here the settings related to the prompt magic. You can see high contrast, prompt strength. So if I just click over here, you can see prompt magic strength. And here is the written of the description. How strongly prompt magic influence the output. A higher number means the greater influence. So how much it should influence. So I have just kept this default only. And what is contrast? Like if you want the high contrast, so it's enabled for the high contrast. So I'll just keep the basic settings. You also do the same. I'll just tell you about this photoReal thing. Depth of field. Here is the more settings. Depth of field. What is, so it provides the depth. So how much depth you want? High, medium, low. So I'll just give the default one, raw mode. So you can just read it, and if you want, you can just enable it. But I'm going to give the default setting. And in alchemy, here are the different options. If you want high resolution, so we can just enable this contrast boost, resonance, different and their scale is here. How much contrast you want, okay. After that, resonance, prompt magic. So whether you want to use the prompt magic or not, off, V2, V3. I'll go with the default one. Now I'll just disable this. I'll disable the prompt magic as well. And here you can see public images, which is by default enable. And if I just go in here, you can see upgrade to a paid plan to set your generation to private. So we need to buy the paid plan if you want to make it private, the images. By default, all the images which you are going to make will be public, as I told you in the last overview video. Image dimensions. So in image dimension, you can choose which image dimension you want to use. I'll just go with this 512 by 1024. And here you can just you can manually also adjust this, or you can just use this drop down. Here is the guidance scale. So what is written here? How strongly your prompt is weighted. So the guidance scale is nothing but how much weight it should be given to your prompt. Now I have written here a dog. So if I make it 7, then it will follow some extent to the prompt. And if I make it like completely 20, then it will completely follow to the prompt. So how much it should follow the prompt, that is nothing but this guidance scale. After that, control net, by using this, we can control our images. This is also a very good feature. This is also we are going to cover in upcoming videos. What is written here? Please upload an image to use the control net features. We need to first upload the image, then only we can use this feature. Control net allows you to influence your generation with input images. And this is the tiling, ideal for repeating textures or background. So like if you want to repeat the background or texture, so we can just enable this and that background will be repeated. So by default it's disabled, so I just skip like this. We'll use the option image to image. So we can create the image using image as well. Let's say we have a dog image and we want the kind of same dog image we want to create. So we can just upload here the dog image by clicking on the image to image, and then we will create. So this we are going to cover in the next videos. And this is the image prompt. So there is a little difference between image to image and image prompt that we are going to see. And in show advanced settings, you can see recommended sizes, which is enabled. What is written here? Automatically set dimensions to the best fit for your selected model. So whichever model we are going to select, according to which size is best for that model, that will be selected here. So that's a good thing. So you just enable this as well. Use fixed seed, this we will see, and the scheduler. This also we are going to see in the upcoming videos. Now here you can see, if I just click over here, so here are the different models: Leonardo Diffusion XL, Leonardo Vision XL, Dream Shaper, Anime Pastel Dreams, 3D animation style. So according to our need, what kind of style image we want to create, accordingly we will just select. So here below you can see select custom model. This kind of window will open, and here you can see your models and the platform models. So we want to create the realistic image. For that there is one model, realistic something. Yeah, absolute reality. I'll just choose this. Our model is selected, you can see absolute reality, because we want to create realistic images. I'll just go with Leonardo style, add elements. So elements are nothing but, you can see styles which is added on our image. It's just a styling effect which is added on our image. Biopunk, Celtic punk, crystalline. We can choose up to 4 elements to be added on our image. We will see this as well. I'll just click cancel now. And here is the add negative prompt option. Add the negative prompt. So I have added a negative prompt. I will provide all the prompts and negative prompts in the description. Now everything is done. So have you noticed one thing, like here in generate, here the token showing 2. This will use 2 tokens, okay. If I just enable the alchemy, then it changed to 16. So if we use the alchemy pipeline, then it just taking a lot of tokens. So I'm just disabling this. We will see that as well, but let's see this first. I don't want to use prompt magic as well. Yeah, so that's it. Now I'll just click on generate. Okay, here you can see this is what we got. We got pretty good result, and it is pretty realistic as well. So the result we got are not great, but really good. If I just click on the image, here all the options which we saw yesterday, like I have given the explanation of all these things. If you want, you can just download this. Yeah, this is the downloaded image, and the quality is not great, but okay, because we did not use any extra thing. And here image generation, and here you can see prompt generation. So Leonardo also help us to generate the prompt. Like you can see, this tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompts from a simple prompt. That is, if you type a car and click the ID 8, it will come up with a number of more complex concepts which include a car. right? I have just taken a very simple prompt. Okay, if I just copy a dog here and paste it here, okay, so what it will do, this feature will just create the complex prompt, or you can say better prompt. Yeah, so can you see I just clicked on this ideate and I got these 4 variations of prompt. A majestic golden retriever basking in the warm sunflower of a summer afternoon with a playful glint in the eyes with a wagging tail. So whatever you like, you can just use that. If you want to edit, here is the arrow, just click on that arrow and here you can see edit option. So we can edit as well. If we don't like some words or we want to change something, so we can do that easily and we can just click on done. And if you want to use this particular prompt to generate the image, so we can just click on generate. And with the same settings, it is generating the image. Yeah, just click on this, click to view and click to view. This is what we got. Much better background and result, you can see. This is beautiful. Right? So it's easy, right? It's pretty easy. So this is one of, like, it's a very good feature, this prompt generation. If you don't know how to create the prompt, how to do the adjustment to get the better results, so you can just use this. Now, I'll just try the different prompt. So before that, I'll just do one thing. I'll just enable this alchemy. Here, I will just enable this as well, photoReal as well. And that is costing us 16. Even if I generate 1 image, 2 image, it is costing 16 only. If I make it 3, then it is costing 17. So I'll just generate the 3 images. Just wait for some seconds. The prompt is a regal husky standing tall and proud against a snowy backdrop. Its thick fur glistening in the moonlight. Can you see we got much better realistic, and the quality you can see it's purely realistic. If you can see. There is a huge difference with this thing. This is with nothing, you can see it's very normal and this is so good. The quality is also good. We are able to zoom it as well. Okay, we were not able to zoom this. You can see. If you can see. This is very good. If you like the result, you can just download it. If you don't like, you can delete as well. So you can see the quality is much better. So that is the difference, like difference after using this photoReal and alchemy. Let's try different prompt. A complex prompt. Not complex, but a better prompt, we can say. So for this prompt, I want to create the landscape. I'll just go with this thing, this aspect ratio, 768 into 1024. If you want, you can also use the same. And one more thing I did not tell, like as soon as we just enable the photoReal, okay, so photoReal is also a model. As soon as we just enable the photoReal, you can see here the model selection option which got disabled. If I just disable the photoReal, then this gets enabled. Then first I will just create without photoReal and alchemy. And now I'll go with this Dream Shaper version 7 and Leonardo style. Okay, let's add the negative prompts as well. I think this will not make that much of difference, but let's skip this and we will add we will see without this first and then we will add the elements. Now I'm just clicking on generate. It is costing us 4 tokens. So the prompt is colorful leaves, transcendent mountains in the background, long river flowing in the valley. Yeah. Can you see we got beautiful result? I love it. If you want, you can create the copy and many options here. Like we can unzoom, we can remove the background and different types of upscaling we can do according to our need, crisp, smooth. What I'll do now, I'll just increase this guidance scale. I'll make it 10. Okay, I want it closer to the prompt which I have written, and here I'll just enable only alchemy, and let's see the difference. Generate. Now I have increased the guidance scale as well, and I have added the alchemy option as well. Yeah, can you see? This is so beautiful. See the scenery. Dream Shaper model we have used. What we will do, let's try doing, I don't want the smooth upscale, I just want this alchemy crisp upscale. Just do this, but how much it is costing us? This is going to cost 5 tokens. Okay, let's use one time. Let's see the difference. Yeah, so it is done. This is our original image. You can see it's little not much clear and little difference. If you can just observe it, it got little better. Yeah. I'll just show you the original image. This is the original image. See, we are not able to zoom it properly, and even if we do, so it is getting blurred. But if I do same with this upscaled version, so you can see we zoomed it a lot, but still it's better. You can try out these different options. Now I'll just enable this photoReal and let's see the difference. Watch on the tokens as well. I'm just clicking on generate. and let's see the difference. So it's using the photoReal model. Yeah. So this is with just alchemy. This is with a normal. We did not use alchemy and photoReal. And here we used alchemy, and which got really better. It's colorful. This is more photorealism, the photoReal one. Let's change the prompt. Just added this prompt, and I'll just disable this alchemy and the photoReal as well. One more thing you can see, like we can't use a photoReal without alchemy. If I just enable the alchemy, then the photoReal also gets enabled. But we can alone use the alchemy, like you can see. Now the 4 options I have taken, and now I'll just click on generate. Let's take the other absolute reality model, generate. So the prompt is Jennifer Lawrence trending on ArtStation, sharp focus, studio photo, integrate details, highly detailed by rutkowski. Yeah. So this is what we got. I think we did not select the proper image dimensions. That's why we got images like this. So you can see, sure, it doesn't have much details, and I'll just make it 512 by 1024. I'll just generate. Let's see this Leonardo Diffusion Excel, and what I will do, I'll just add the elements as well. Toon and anime. I use this. Incompatible, not compatible with this, I think. Okay, I'll just remove. Okay, it is not compatible with this. Let's use the photoReal first. Okay, photoReal. photoReal, and alchemy is enabled already. So this is the aspect ratio we will use, 768 into 1024, and it is costing us 20 tokens. I'm just clicking on generate. Just wait for some seconds. Yeah, this is what we got, and this is super, this is hyper realistic. I really love it. I'll just download it. You can upscale it and do many more things which you know already. I'll just add element over here. Okay, let's see this crystalline. I'll just add this and see what kind of effect we can see. In Bonnie and Gold, I'll just add this too. I should not use photoReal, I think. Okay, we will not use photoReal and alchemy. I'm just making it. I'm just using these styles, crystalline and embony gold. Generate. Same prompt and the same image dimension. Can you see we got the different crystalline and shining kind of styling added. I'll just keep one. Okay, I'll just keep this crystalline and generate. Then we will understand properly. Yeah. So this is what we got. Sharp, you can see crystalline kind of effect. This is good. So if you add one by one, then it is working good, I think. You can explore this thing by using the different elements, you will understand. And here is the weight also given, how much that styling you want on the image, and the negative prompt weren't added there. So because of that also we did not get these 2 images good. And here we got the good image because we were using the photoReal model. Now if I have just enabled the negative prompt option, and now I'm just clicking on generate. Okay, so let's see how much difference we can see in the images. Can you see? Not much difference, but it's better. We should always add the negative prompt and keep it enabled. Otherwise, we will get some deformed hands, face. That doesn't look good. Now let's change the prompt. So this is a very simple prompt. We'll keep this image dimension and guidance scale. Let's make it 8. Okay, and that's it. I will not use any element. Let's try with this 3D animation style. We will see first with the absolute reality. Let's generate. It's like if you use the photoReal and alchemy, then you get really impressive results, you can see. Yeah, so this is what we got. So the prompt was man running, forest fire, painted background, soft lighting. So this is also quite good result without photoReal and alchemy. I'll just change to 3D animation style and generate. So we will get the animated result. Can you see? This is what we got animated. And if you want to improve it, you can just enable the alchemy. Just changing the prompt, paste, just will make it absolute reality only, and generate. The prompt is portrait of woman, raining, going to the office, corporate world. Yeah, this is what we got. Pretty good result and realistic as well. Let's try last prompt. Okay, I'm just pasting, paste and generate. So the prompt was tiger, beast, wars, transformation, robot, hybrid, metallic, rusted, center composition, epic war zone, in the background fire, smoke and debris, explosions, cinematic lighting, dramatic lighting, atmospheric, octane render, photorealistic, Unreal Engine 5 character design. Yeah, so this is what we got, and it's pretty good result. I like it. You can download it, you can do this different upscaling option if you want to use. We can make the changes in this as well. If you want to just increase the strength, so we can increase that as well and save. So I'll just make it with photoReal, alchemy I have just enabled, and I will make the resolution high. Okay, let's see, and contrast boost, resonance also I'm increasing, version 2, and save. So I have done many settings here. Let's click on generate. This is costing us 20 tokens. See, the result is very good. The result is completely changed. You can see from here to here. We got the complete transformer now, the way we were looking for. We can just download and check. Yeah, see the quality. The quality is very good. We don't need to do anything. We don't need to upscale. And this is best because of we have increased the resolution here. Okay. We just enable this high resolution. We just boost the contrast, resonance. You can also try out. So that's all. I think I have covered everything. The basic settings, and we have tried various examples as well. So you can also do the same setting. Initially keep the default setting and only change the image resolution. After that, models, elements, add elements, upscale the image, and see. After exploring only, you will understand it properly. And if you don't get the expected output, you just need to give the prompt properly, regenerate again and again by making the changes. That's all for now. In the next video, we will explore the amazing features of Leonardo AI, such as image to image and image prompt. So as I told you, we will cover this thing in the next video, this image to image and this image prompt. This is also very good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.